Breaking news, my wonderful people. You won't believe it. So our very own brother, Runo Omokri, comes up to tell Nigerians, very shocking information, what Inec and some persons are planning. Yes, my people, you will understand what we are saying as I give you the full details. Electoral body, Inec and Nigerian political actors planning to install interim government if North fails to win 2023 presidential election. Omoyele Sowore says he has evidences, facts to prove to Nigerians that there is a plot going on to ensure, the news came up the other time that Buhari may seemingly look like he wants Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu to win Emilio Kan. Say, but the truth of the matter is, APC northern governors are well with Atiku because they want the North to return to power. And even if Tinubu wins, there is plans that, he will, just like what happened to Maru Musa Radua, even, what's his name, Prophet Prime Dele has also mentioned something like that he will not be there for a very long time. Again, man proposes, God disposes. These are just, alleged information, and they've not been able to adequately give us all necessary, information on that grounds. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Electoral body, INEC and Nigerian political actors planning to install interim government if North fails to win 2023 presidential election. Omoyele Sowore comes out to reveal what he has evidence about. Sowore stated this while reacting to a statement made by INEC that the prevailing security challenges in the country could lead to the cancellation and postponement of the 2023 general election, bid to start in February. Omoyele Sowore, the presidential candidate of the African Action Congress, has cautioned political leaders and the Independent National Electoral Commission to consider not installing an interim government after the expiration of the current administration of President Muhammadu Buhari. Sowore stated this while reacting to a statement made by INEC that the prevailing security challenges in the country could lead to cancellation or postponement of the 2023 general election bid to start in February. If the insecurity is not monitored and dealt with decisively, it could ultimately clamor to the cancellation and postponement of election in sufficient constructions to hinder declaration of election results and persistent constitutional crisis. Mr. Yakub, represented by the Chairman Board of Electoral Institute, Abdulaziz Zera, said on Monday. Speaking at the roundtable organized by The Punch on Wednesday, the AAC presidential candidate explained that INEC was considering the postponement of the 2023 polls because there might be a possible shift of power from the northern region. He said, if you are a Nigerian, your attitude to any news must be that there is conspiracy behind it, because I have lived long enough to know that every terrible rumor that started has come to pass. And there have been people in Nigeria within the political scene who have been taking advantage for an interim government. And when I heard INEC saying the election may not hold, I know what that plan is. It is the political class, especially those who are behind this and are working around the clock for the North if they do not win, there will be an interim government, and that government will be a northern, because they are planning to hold on to power. In the midst of the public, INEC is part of this group, and everyone has to be aware. So this is what is happening, my wonderful people. This is what is going on. Omoyele Sowore has raised an allegation against INEC and against everyone who, may be in the corridor of power right now, saying, there is a problem, and then this problem has to be immediately dealt with. said INEC, that he has lived long enough for INEC to be saying that there is possibility for the election to be postponed. It therefore means that the postponement has started already, according to him. He said if INEC say there is possibility that the election will postpone, he said for him, just take it from him that the election has been postponed already. He said, and so if this whole thing passes the May 29th handing over, the diagnosis is that there is already plot, and that this plot, is all that, they will be the ones in charge. And, the same thing that, Moele Sowore, he may be speculating, yeah, but the same thing he said is the same thing, that our very own brother, Godwin Emefiele, the embittered CBN governor, the same thing he said. Godwin Emefiele has said that there is plot to ensure that the North is still in charge and very much hold on to the finances. So what they want to do is that they want to implicate him, according to him. Godwin Emefiele is saying that they want to implicate him, then get a northerner to head, the CBN. And what happens is that whoever is appointed, his tenure is for 5 years, irrespective of who comes in as a president. You cannot remove him. So he said it's a plot for the North to hold on to the finances of the country and be the one in charge, according to Emefiele. Now, if you infer again, going back to mirror the words that have been said by Emefiele to that is being said by Moele Sowore, you will find out that it seems like it looks like they are juxtaposing themselves. Anyway, my people, we must not be unreasonable. We must be very wise and we must be very cautious and understand that we are in a Kairos moment. We are in a moment where destiny of Nigeria is being decided, where we must adequately participate actively in this election and pick our presidential candidates. Now, if really there is a new election, what's it called now? Act that has been installed for 2022 with regards to election, and that act is really going to take place and is going to be implemented, and we're all going to benefit from the result. It therefore means that to a large extent, the electronic transmission of results will go a large extent for transparency. So it therefore calls on you and I, taking part in ensuring that we do all that is necessary for the right candidates to come on board. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can have all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. Yes? God bless. Have a fantastic day and bye for now.